You know, I'm not a travel agent, but I can tell you the most sought after place that people want to go on vacation, at least 19 out of 20 of them, the 95% crowd. You know what that is? Tomorrow Isle. Hello again, everyone. I'm Eli's dad with Project Eli, where we educate and lead and inspire. And we are continuing our ambitious series on the book Think and Grow Rich. We're going over chapter by chapter. Once again, disclaimer, this is not meant to take the place of reading the book. You must read the book. As a matter of fact, read it several times. My recommendation to you is read the chapter before we go over it on a video. Listen to the video and then reread the chapter again. I guarantee that you will get additional goodies from doing it that way. And if you're serious about becoming a 5%er, not a wisher, wanter, hoper, and thinker, but actually a doer, then this is something that you want to do. And let me be candid with you. This is something that my mentor, Mort Mutnick, did with me. We went over every chapter of this book, and he pointed out to me, step by step, the steps you need to take, why they work, and this is what our purpose in going over this book, the Bible of personal self-development. So right now we're on chapter 7. Once again, big shout out to Earl Nightingale from his video, Condensed Think and Grow Rich. He and I are kind of working together, he posthumously, on doing these videos. So let's rock and roll. Chapter 7 is decision, the mastery of procrastination. That's Tomorrow Isle. When are you going to do it? Tomorrow Isle, Tomorrow Isle. Procrastination, the opposite of decision, is the common enemy that everyone must conquer. A study of people that had accumulated fortunes of well over $1 million had the habit of reaching decisions promptly and of changing these decisions slowly when and if they were ever changed. This is a key point. The people in the 95% group, they take a long time to decide, and then once they do, they're not firm in their decision. And the people in the 5% group gather the data, make a decision, and they stick with it. People who fail to accumulate money, without exception, have the habit of reaching decisions, if at all, very slowly, and of changing these decisions quickly and often. A definite objective makes reaching prompt decisions that much easier. When it's clear, when you're crystal clear on what you want, decision making becomes much easier. When you make up your mind, stay with it. The majority of people that fail to make the grade are generally easily influenced by the opinions of others. They're easily swayed. They permit now keep in mind, this was written back in the 1950s. They permit the newspapers, the gossiping neighbors, let me put in today's equivalent, the internet, social media, to do their thinking for them. Opinions are the cheapest commodities on earth. Keep your own counsel when you begin to put into practice the principles that we're describing right here. By reaching your own decisions and following them, take nobody into your confidence except the members of your mastermind group. Be very careful in the selection of this group that you choose only those that will be in complete harmony and sympathy with your purpose. I need to give you something here. This is not to say that you want to have everyone in your mastermind group agree with everything you say. As a matter of fact, quite the contrary. You want to have opposing views. However, it is essential that the final outcome, the objective that you're looking to reach, all must agree on it. Now, you may want to go from different angles, different perspectives. This is healthy. But once you agree on a decision, the group sticks with the decision. Close friends and relatives, while not meaning to do so, often handicap one through opinions and often through ridicule. The example I like to give is years ago when you got a burn, your mom, your dad, your sister, your brother, your uncle would say, oh, put some butter on the burn. Well, they're there to try and help you. They want to relieve your pain. They want to help you. But putting butter on the burn is the worst thing you can do according to doctors. You want to put water on the burn. So keep in mind that even people that are very close to you, friends, relatives, your family, they want to help you sincerely, but they don't always know. Thousands of men and women carry inferiority complexes with them all through life because some well-meaning but ignorant person destroyed their confidence through opinions or through ridicule. If a decision is worth anything at all, it's worth sticking to until it's been completely worked. This is the chapter on decision making. Gather the data. Make an educated decision. But when you have a clear objective, decision making becomes so much easier. Once you make that decision, stick with it. Be careful of the input of friends, relatives, and very, very close people to you, because even though they sincerely want to help you, they're not giving you the best advice most of the time. Remember, 95%, 5%. That's how things are divided up. Get your advice from the doctor, from the 5%er, not the 95%er, the friends and family that, oh, I have a buddy that, went to medical school and this is what he... Get your advice from the professionals. The next chapter that we're going to talk about is very critical. It's about persistence. And because we're never going to end a meeting on a philosophical note, let's all get out there and charge. Because I'm Eli's dad.